Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to upgrade seats on a United flight. And it's very easy and simple guys. So first, you want to go ahead and log in to the United app or website, okay? And then you just sign in with your Mileage Plus account. Then you go to My Trips, okay? Just go ahead and tap on My Trips and select your upcoming flight. And you can look for the upgrade option under your flight details. Now here you choose your upgrade type. Okay, you'll see different upgrade options like the Economy Plus for extra legroom. We have First Class or Polaris Business, depending on your flight. Just choose what works for you, and then you can go ahead and pay or use the miles or your points. You can pay either via your credit card or use Mileage Plus miles, or you can actually redeem your plus points if you're a premium, platinum, or higher. And you can just go ahead and confirm your upgrade, and you're set to go. Okay. And sometimes as well, guys, United also sends you email offers to bid on an upgrade, and you can keep an eye on those on your inbox. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the